What's up, guys? Adel here with Web3 TV. We're coming at you live at the Future Blockchain Summit. I'm so excited for this interview. I've got Khloud from Forus, Senior Marketing Specialist. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for this interview.
Thank you for being.
Welcome to Forus.
Yes, thank you so much. It's a wonderful booth. Please tell us a little bit about what is Forus doing here, exhibiting at the Future Blockchain Summit.
Okay, so basically Forus, like a small brief, Forus is a fintech platform that offers debit crowdfunding. So any business looking for funding options, they can register through Forus. And investors who's looking for fixed income, they can also invest in Forus opportunities.
Fantastic. So that's great. You're providing annual yields. That means that people who are putting money in the bank and are not earning anything on it have an alternative to put their money and earn on something.
True, exactly. So anyone can start investing in Forus. The minimum is 1,000 Riyal and reaching up to not covering 20% of each investment opportunity. So as minimum as 1,000, they can just invest.
Fantastic. And what's from the low to the highest, what are the annual yields that you are providing?
So starting from 9%, reaching up 23.19% of return of investment.
That's really impressive. 23%.
Yes.
And how are you able to provide this?
So based on the industry you are investing in. So as I mentioned, starting from that rate, reaching up to 23. So each investment opportunity has their own return of investment as well as the risk rate.
And does it require a higher minimum investment to get the highest annual yield?
No. As the investor desire, they can invest as much as they want. So yeah.
Oh, very good. And if the investor is curious to know where is the money being invested in, could you give some examples, some industries where the money is being invested in?
Sure. We cover all industries. So for each investment opportunity, the investor has the opportunity to check the financial statements of the company, know about the revenue, and know what industry they are investing in. So they can view these details.
Fantastic, that's great. And I'm curious to know, I know at the moment, I think you mentioned that from our previous talk, I think you mentioned that you're not implementing crypto investments. But do you see a future and a scope where crypto investments or blockchain elements could be included in the near-time future?
Sure, it's a huge potential, and so the market is there's a lot of businesses who's doing this. So for us, for sure, we'll follow up with that in the near future.
Right, interesting. And did you also mention that the investments that you're doing are all Sharia compliant? For those who are new, could you explain what Sharia compliant means?
Okay, so we follow Sharia. We are Sharia compliant business. So basically, there is a certain process called tawarruk, and also our investment style is murabaha.
Thanks for that answer. And curious to know, are you a believer in crypto in general? What are your thoughts and opinions on crypto in general?
As a person?
As a person.
Okay, it's a growing market, to be honest. It's I can see myself cashless, cardless. So yeah, I'm trying to adapt as a person, and I see a lot of businesses in Saudi Arabia following up to that and studying the potential of having such a service.
Interesting. I agree, and I think even the big the likes of BlackRock trying to launch a Bitcoin ETF.
True.
It just shows that there's great potential for Bitcoin in general, cryptocurrency in general, and not only that, from a diversification perspective too, to not be only on stocks and ETFs, but also on digital assets like virtual assets as well.
True. And thank you guys, because you raise an awareness about this, and people can gain more knowledge. So thank you.
Yeah, and one more thing, Forus. I love the name Forus. How did you come up with it? Because it sounds like for us, and I love it.
Yeah, sure. Forus in Arabic actually means opportunities. So because we provide opportunities for investors as well funding solutions for the businesses. So yeah, we're giving them an opportunity to grow.
Understood. Khloud, this has been a very insightful interview. Yeah. I really thank you for your time.
Yeah, I enjoyed this interview. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. This is Web3 TV coming at you live. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.